In. Okay. Good morning, everyone. And Salamat Hari Raya for all of our friends who are celebrating. And welcome to our weekly product sharing webinar. My name is Chihi, and I will be your MC for tonight. Before we begin, I'd like to invite all of our friends to turn on your camera and interact with us. And please stay muted throughout this whole session so we can proceed smoothly. Thank you all for your cooperation. To start, I'd like to introduce our speaker for today. Her name is MCCM Winnie Chu. She's from Sandakan, Sabah, and she graduated from the University of Malaya with a degree in education. She then became a teacher for 5 years, and the last position she held in school was a senior teacher in student affairs. And back then, upon a friend's introduction, she started taking Elkins products. Gradually, all of the health problems that she faced before, such as migraine, air sickness, PMS, all of them faded away. And through her positive results, she gained confidence and faith in Elkins products and decided to share all of these products with her friends and family. That was when her Elkin journey began. Currently, she is a Millionaire Crown Council member in Elkin and has helped countless people live healthier and happier lives through Elkins products. She is an experienced and recognized speaker who has strong product knowledge, and all of us love her sharing. And today, the topic that she's going to share about is ELG6. So friends, brothers, sisters, if this product, ELG6, has helped you become healthier in any way or improve your health, please type it out in the chat box and share the power of this product with everyone here. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's put our hands together and welcome MCCM Winnie Chu.
Hi everybody. Can you hear me?
Yes, perfectly.
Okay, thank you, Chihi, for the introduction. So my name is Winnie Chu. This topic tonight is about LG6. So my upline is giving me practice of my English because I seldom share in English. Okay, so what is it about LG6 that is so special? Normally I eat the 500 tablet there. I have one with me. So I've been taking this product for years, I think more than 10 years since the launching. So I'm very happy to be able to share with you the best gift nature can give. All right, so first of all, thank you to Elkin. As you can see, this is a new head office of Elkin in Subang Jaya there. And this is Elkin's new headquarters, which is gold certified for Green Building Index. So thank you, Elkin, for this wonderful product and wonderful business opportunity. And I'd like to also thank Elkin Gee's team spirit. Like tonight, we are all over a few countries to come together to have this webinar. Thank you for all the teamwork. And of course, special thank you to the person who introduced me to this Elkin. He's none other than my upline, my beloved upline, 7-star LSM, Mr. and Mrs. Sengkok Meng. I really appreciate them for guiding me more than 20 over years. All right, let's come into the topic. So what is LG6 colostrum? So basically, there's only two things that we need to understand about LG6 colostrum. So number one is it can give us immune factor, and number two, it can give us growth factor. There are only two major things. And this colostrum comes in two different forms, which is capsule or tablet. So whichever you prefer, like me, I prefer to take tablet. For those who need it to be in powder form, you can buy the capsule because you can anytime you can just break the capsule away and inside is powder. Okay, so why do we need this LG6 colostrum? Because we get sick. Children especially get sick. So as parents, you know that kids fall sick about 8 to 12 times a year. I have friends whose children have to go and see the doctor every month. So every month the parents have to take leave, they have to take care of their children, they don't get enough sleep, especially at night. So this is a challenge for a lot of parents. And when the child reaches 10 years old, he or she may have fallen sick about 120 times. And if each time they were prescribed antibiotics times 3, that means they would have taken antibiotics for 360 days. when we all know that prescribed drugs, too much of it is not good for the children. Sometimes the children, they have stunted growth and they are very weak because of all these prescribed drugs. So if possible, we want to reduce the children from taking too much antibiotics. So the human body is being attacked by increasingly virulent infectious disease. Like now the whole nation, Malaysia, is in lockdown. At least Sabah is like partially locked down. So those who does not have strong immune protection may become the victim of infectious diseases. Okay, number one, what is the risk, especially in tropical country? Dengue fever. So even though we are now talking about COVID-19, don't forget that dengue fever is still there. And every now and then we hear of friends or family or somebody else who were infected with this dengue fever. And cases are on the rise, still on the rise. And dengue fever is considered a neglected tropical disease. Sometimes we forget that the disease is still there. And Malaysia, even though we're an upper middle income country, is still not free from this neglected tropical disease. And the cases are on the rise, a rise of 61% from 2018. You see, every newspaper also reporting that dengue cases up. And every now and then nearby my house area, we'll see this health ministry people come with that fogging, they do the fogging. So everybody quickly run and close all the windows. So this is to prevent dengue fever. Now, the second infectious disease that which is our concern nowadays is a flu pandemic. So flu pandemic comes suddenly but spread to the very, very fast. In 2003, we witnessed SARS. I remember SARS very well because our trip to Amsterdam to Holland was postponed 1 year. And in 2009, we were attacked with H1N1. Look at the cases, 414,000 cases, which was an increase of 5 times within 5 years. But nowadays, this is what is happening. Since December 2019, starting from Wuhan there, humans are being threatened by another new pandemic caused by COVID-19 virus. And until now, we still do not have a solution. And I'm able to extract this statistic from the internet. Last updated today, May 12, 2021, corona cases, the whole world, a total of 160 million cases. If you follow this page, you can see there was an increase of about 1 million cases almost every few years, every few days. And death toll, 3.3 million, imagine this. And this is a very scary time for all of us. So other than adhering to SOPs, how can we protect ourselves? Of course, we know that a lot of people who are healthy, the chances are very high that you will recover. But those elderly people, those with compromised health condition, for example, if they have high blood pressure, if they have diabetes, if they are obese, or they have a respiratory problem, they may be at a higher risk of mortality. So even now, you know, people are queuing up for vaccination, they're registering for vaccination. We know that even after vaccination, there is no guarantee against infection. So I'm able to extract some newspaper clipping here. For example, here in Malaysia, 40 healthcare workers. We know that the frontliners were the first to receive the vaccine, but they were infected. Of course, I know that their symptoms are much milder, but still, if they could get infected, that means they can infect others. They can go back and infect their families. And in India nowadays, actually, I stopped watching the news about India because it was really scary. It was really sad. They are fighting this mutant, double mutant of the COVID-19 virus. So can we win against this war? It's still a big question mark. COVID-19 variant first detected in India and now found its way to Canada. It's spreading in Canada. What about Malaysia? Yeah, we are very scared if it spread to Malaysia or Singapore or Vietnam or Brunei, because I heard that it is highly contagious compared to the first one. And in Hong Kong, they discovered that those COVID patients who recovered, they can be reinfected with new mutated strains. That means there's really no guarantee. And coronavirus reinfection, 3 questions scientists are still asking. Scientists are still doing research about this one. And losing our loved one to COVID, it is really, really sad. Like in India, children are becoming orphans because they lose both their parents. And another news, I saw this one in the USA, they lost the mother and the grandmother in 6 days apart only. So this is very, very sad. And recently I just saw in WhatsApp video in West Malaysia, a child came back from school into the village and then infected the grandparents. Ambulance came, take the grandparents to the hospital, and that was the last time that they saw the grandparents. It was very, very sad, especially in the Ramadan month, and then tomorrow is Hari Raya. So they are celebrating Hari Raya without their beloved ones. So this is really, really very sad. And then the third infectious disease, which is still a problem, especially to children, is this hand, foot, and mouth diseases. So this is very, very highly infectious disease. So especially for parents, they are very concerned about this one. So we're living in a world with bacteria and viruses around us. So is antibiotic the answer? Sometimes when we get sick, yes, we do go and see the doctor. But I think a lot of people misuse antibiotics, or they don't understand what antibiotics are for. We know that antibiotics is only against bacteria, but not against viruses. That's why COVID-19, you can't ask for antibiotics, and a lot of problems also cannot be solved just by antibiotics. So our immune system is our only defense mechanism against infectious disease. It's like an army fighting for us. So how do we strengthen our immune system? This is where Algae-6 colostrum comes in. This is a gift from nature, helps our body, okay, to protect us from the whole family for generations. Because this is not a new food, okay? It's been consumed by human for generations. So what actually is colostrum? Colostrum is a baby's first food. When we were born into the world, if our mother give us breast milk, then we will get colostrum, because colostrum is the first yellowish fluid that flow out from our mother's breast before it becomes white color, which is milk. So colostrum will jumpstart a baby's immune system, because you imagine a baby before it was born is in a very protected environment in the mother's womb. But once it was born into the world, it's surrounded by viruses and bacteria. So colostrum will jumpstart the baby's immune system. So we pity those babies whose mother wasn't able to breastfeed the baby, because the immune system may be compromised. So it is good that any parents who fail to breastfeed their children, maybe they can supplement them now, give them Algae-6 colostrum. So the highly concentrated natural immune food cannot be obtained at any time, but only after the mother has given birth. So like nowadays, where can we get colostrum? We can't get it from our mother anymore, okay? But we know for centuries that colostrum is a good food. That is why now we take from bovine colostrum. We take it from the cow, because why? The molecular structure of bovine colostrum is similar to human colostrum. That's why we can consume it. And this is also, they call it first milking. That means after, within 6 hours from the birth of the calf, then only we collect the colostrum from the cow. Because some people say, if we take the colostrum, what about the calf? So don't worry, okay, the calf already take the first milking from this mother, then only we take, but it's still within 6 hours, because the calf cannot survive if it doesn't get colostrum from its mother. So it's unlike human baby, if we don't get colostrum from our mother, we can still survive. But for a calf, no, it will die within hours. Okay, so within 6 hours after the calf get its drink, then only we collect. And the immune factor of this first milking is 200% compared to the second or third or fourth milking. And okay, the first collection of colostrum contains up to 70 types of beneficial active components. What are they? First, immune factor, 31 types, growth factor, 9 types, and other health components, about 37 types. Okay, let's look at the breakdown. So these are the 31 types of immune factors. First is immunoglobulin. Okay, what is immunoglobulin? So basically, it is antibody. Okay, so we know antibiotics is from medicine or drugs. Antibody is from our body to fight against germs or pathogens. And we also have this active ingredient, cytokines. Cytokines is basically like a messenger, which helps our cells to communicate. So when there's an invasion of germs, so cytokines is a messenger that is like running and telling all these immune system or white blood cells to get ready to fight the invaders. So it's like helping the army. And other immune factors, okay, see, as you can see here. So this is just for fun, okay? The first symptom that our body react when germs have invaded our respiratory system is we sneeze. So people say if you sneeze once, somebody is speaking ill of you. If you sneeze twice, means somebody misses you. If you sneeze 3 times, somebody is in love with you. But if you sneeze more than 3 times, you better go and see a doctor because you probably have caught a cold. Some people, they can sneeze up to 10 times. So definitely the germs somewhere in your respiratory tract. Okay, so what are the 5 types of this immunoglobulin? So we have IgG, we have IgA, E, D, and M. So basically, these are all the job that it does: eliminates toxin, neutralizes invaders, resists bacteria, viruses, stimulate the B cells to produce antigens, eliminate invaders. So basically, these are all the army in our immune system. Okay, so this is what happened when germs enter our body, especially through our nose and mouth. So once it enters our nose, we'll start sneezing, and it will cause inflammation and swelling of throat. That's why you will get like a sore throat, or then we'll go and buy some lozenges, you know, and try to soothe throat, and then we get fever. Once we get fever, that means our whole immune system have been triggered to increase our body temperature so that we can kill the viruses or the germs. And later, we may develop bronchitis. So you can see from this picture here how our antibodies are at work at each step of the way until here. Okay, so sometimes when I feel that my nose is a bit dry and I start to cough a bit, I know already that there may be some germs in my respiratory tract. So I'll quickly go and grab my ALG6 and just swallow maybe 10 to 15 tablets. And the next day, all these symptoms will be gone. So, okay, look at the effectiveness of immune factor. So first line of defense, nose will secrete immune factor to fight germs. That's why you will get some mucus, you get some running nose. Second line of immune defense, lymphocytes secrete macrophages and immune factor to attack germs, resulting in sputum. Okay, you'll get sputum from your throat here. Sometimes you need to cough it out. And sputum, the color, if it's like clear, that means the infection is not so bad. Once it turns into a yellow or green, then the infection is there to stay. So you really have to boost up your immune system then. And third line of immune defense, hypothalamus, increased body temperature. This is where you get fever. To help the reproduction of germs, immune factor continues to attack bacteria. So this is where you have fever and then you have to lie down. Why? Because your body is telling you to lie down to sleep so that it uses all the other energy to help to fight viruses. And a fourth line of immune defense, immune factor eliminates germ and growth factor helps cell recover. Okay, so look at this. All 4 immune defenses of the body needs immune factor. Okay, the effectiveness of immune factor in the colostrum can be demonstrated in 6 main clinical tests. So, okay, look at the first one. Okay, what colostrum can do for you? It can resist gastroenteritis is caused by coronavirus. So this is like a stomach problem, okay? Inflammation of the stomach and intestine. Sometimes we eat the wrong things or food poisoning, bacterial infection, viral infection causes vomiting and diarrhea. So if you have children and you always give them colostrum, the chances are very low for them to get this gastroenteritis. Okay, second, colostrum has high level of antibodies to help resist what? Respiratory syncytial virus or RSV, which can cause bronchitis in children. Nowadays, children are very sensitive to smoke, to dust and all. I don't know why. Sometimes they are born, they already have asthma. So you can give them this colostrum to help resist against this respiratory problem. Third is it can help eliminate E. coli. Okay, so E. coli is a very common germs in the intestine. They can cause inflammation, the urethra, and diarrhea, especially if we eat contaminated eggs or contaminated vegetables. Sometimes we don't clean them properly. Maybe we do not have the Biosafe machine at home. So E. coli can contaminate our food, and we can end up with diarrhea and vomiting also. Okay, fourth, antibodies and colostrum protect the body from salmonella attack. So salmonella is another type of bacteria. So it can enter the body through contaminated food. So sometimes we eat food which is exposed, or we go and buy food from the stall and we see that it is not being covered. So it can cause gastroenteritis and typhoid, and can cause vomiting and so on and so forth. Number 5, colostrum immune factor can help capable of suppressing pneumonia. So this is a lung problem. So anybody who are susceptible to pneumonia, you have to take colostrum to strengthen your lungs. Okay, so because pneumonia is an infection that inflames the air sac in one or both lungs. So anybody who have weakened lung, and if they are infected by the COVID-19 virus, then it is a very high risk for the lung to collapse and the person can die. Okay, so please strengthen your immune system. Number 6 is lactobacillus and lactoferrin in colostrum can help effectively fight fungus. So there are 5,000 types of fungus on our skin. You imagine that. Luckily, we cannot see. So it can infect our urinary organs. It can infect our intestine. For example, candida, they can cause skin rashes. Okay, even things like, I think I have some photo here. Okay, look at this. These are all fungal infection. If you look at your toenails and sometimes your thumb, okay, you can see all these are fungal infection. Or this ringworm. Ringworm is not by worm, but it's because of fungus. And also this vesicular. In Malay, they call it panau. So all these are fungal infection to our body. If our immune system is not strong enough, our body cannot rid itself from all these fungal infections. So bear in mind that colostrum can help effectively fight fungus. So you can take this every day. Okay, the second thing about Algae-6 colostrum is what? This is growth factor. So growth factor, like children, you want them to grow taller, or if you want to your injury, your wound to heal faster, or if you are an athlete, then growth factor can help you. So colostrum is rich in 9 growth factor, as you can see here. So what are the benefits? What can it do to us? Okay, first, for injured patients, okay, if you have wound, so it will stimulate cell division, speed up wound healing, and reduce scar. So this is very, very true if you're involved in an accident, if you undergo surgery or C-section to give birth to a baby. So you want the wound to heal very, very fast. If you consume Algae-6 colostrum, the wound will really heal very fast, not just the surface, but also underneath. In my stockies, every now and then we will have customer come in and ask us, do you have any products that can help my wife? She just went through C-section, deliver a baby. Or sometimes somebody come, they said, or somebody is involved in a car accident. You know, if you have car accident and you have all this, what do you call wound on your face or anywhere, the wound will heal very, very fast, and there is very, very minimal scarring. If you compare to other types of supplement out there, like Malays like to eat a type of fish, they call it snakehead fish. Okay, scar is still very, very obvious, but if you take Algae-6 colostrum, the scar is very, very minimal. Second, athletes. How does Algae-6 help? It will strengthen the muscles, accelerate muscle recovery, and stimulate the body to burn fat. So athletes, they hurt themselves all the time, especially if you're in competitive sport. You can sprain yourself, your muscle can tear. So consume Algae-6 colostrum. You can combine with Alga spirulina or Kington. And look at this, stimulate the body to burn fat. Of course, at least you want your body to be fit and lean with less fat. So this is also very good news for those who wants to rid themselves of a lot of fat, be it subcutaneous fat or visceral fat. Yeah, Algae-6 can help your body to burn fat. Good news for the ladies. And adults. So at age 40 and above, our growth factor is 50% lower compared to when we were at 20. So you can go and find your photo at 20 years old. I know Chihi is not yet 20. So if we compare our photo and you can see a big difference, maybe you already see a lot of wrinkles on your forehead and your skin start to sag, that means you have to take algae-6 colostrum. Why? Because it helps restore muscle strength, improve skin thickness, elasticity, gives us a radiant skin. Always remember that our skin are all built from collagen and muscles and so on, but it needs growth factor for it to be radiant, to be strong. So if you are already consuming like this collagen combined with algae-6 colostrum, you will see a very, very good result. And no need to go for Botox injection or vitamin C injection. Okay, you can just consume this. And of course, children. Parents, they are very concerned if their children fail to grow. Okay, so it will strengthen bone development, stimulate growth, and increase fitness level. If you give colostrum to your teenage children, they can grow tall very, very fast, especially if you think that parents are not very tall yet, you want your children to grow taller than the parents. So you can give them colostrum. And for those who are scared of osteoporosis, so algae-6 growth factor can help bone development, because our bone is not a dead thing. It is a dynamic. It keeps on build itself. So you need algae-6 growth factor to help and increase fitness level, of course. So how do we consume this algae-6? Okay, before that, okay. What are the guarantees? How good is this algae-6? So it is a grade A dairy cow certified by USDA, US Department of Agriculture. So this is a free-range cow, free of pollutant, free of pesticide, free of insecticide, free of chemical hormone, and free of antibiotics. So you can rest assured that this is already certified. Okay, how to consume? So since we have two types, we have vegetarian capsule and tablet. So vegetarian capsule is suitable for vegetarian and vegan. You can take 3 capsules 2 times a day. Children 12 and below, you can take 2 capsules. Of course, if you are sick, you can always take more. For tablet, 1 capsule is equivalent to 2 tablets. So you can just double it, like algae-6 tablet, 6 tablets 2 times daily, or for children below 12, 2 to 3 tablets 2 times daily. I still remember a few years back, I got this infection where I coughed. After the initial flu and everything subsided, I was still coughing even without any more phlegm for 100 days. So my friends were laughing, this is a 100 days cough. I said, there's no such thing as a 100-day cough. But the cough refused to go away, and it was really, really itchy, and it was affecting my business. So I started taking 30 tablets of this algae-6 colostrum per day. Within 2 weeks, my cough disappeared. Until now, I never cough anymore like this. Okay, so that means I know that my immune system was not strong enough to fight that infection. Okay, so we have some testimony here just to share with you for dengue fever. So this lady, 27 years old, she had fever and her platelet dropped to 34 units, confirming that she had dengue fever. She consumed all the MRT product, including our colostrum. The next day, within 24 hours, the platelet increased to 49 units, and then her appetite improved, the body started to recover. 2 days later, she was discharged after a week. Look at her platelet count, increased to 461, amazing. Second, this guy, 45 years old, he was electrocuted. You imagine, I can't imagine, this is really eerie. So he had burns on both of his hands. So doctor said his hands have to be bandaged for 6 months, and then followed by physiotherapy. He consumed 20 capsules of colostrum every day. So that is equivalent to 40 tablets, right? So after 3 months, the doctor said that his wound have healed very, very fast and no need to cover and bandage anymore. And then he went for only 1 session of physiotherapy, and he could move his fingers like normal. This is amazing. Okay, look at this boy. Okay, his name is Lucas, similar like my nephew's name, only 3 years old, but look at his medicine. He's taking medicine more than he's taking his milk. So his father said that he had serious skin problems since birth. Now, when we look at children have problems since birth, we cannot blame it on the child because the child was just born. That means something the mother consumed may have affected his skin problem. So he frequently visit the clinic and prescribe a number of drugs. It is so beautiful to look at this boy and taking all these drugs, So after taking colostrum and purified BioPure water for a month, my son didn't need the drugs anymore. So now he doesn't see the doctor anymore. So please don't give your children too much of these prescription drugs. Please give them all this food from Elken. Okay, another boy, 8 years old, the mother narrated this. So my son accidentally put his hand in the hot water when taking shower. Okay, so his hand was badly burnt and the doctor said it will take 3 weeks to heal. But he was given 20 tablets colostrum a day and applied guasa oil. After 8 days, the wound started to heal and it wasn't painful anymore. So these are only some of the testimony that we managed to collect here for me to share. There's a lot more out there. Okay, people who undergo C-section, the wound dry up very fast, okay, and so on. So let's live healthily and energetically with LG6 colostrum. Get one for yourself, okay? This is a 500 tablet because it's cheaper, okay? So that's all for my sharing today. Back to Chihi.
Wow, thank you so much, Winnie. Thank you for the wonderful presentation. So guys, that's it for today's weekly sharing webinar. If you love today's sharing, I'd love to have you again with me next week at the same time. So also, if you love this product, remember to go back, share this with your friends, and of course, try this yourself. You'll see how powerful this product is. Winnie shared this with you, okay? Try it yourself, okay? And this video will be uploaded to YouTube very soon. And if you're interested in rewatching, ask for the link from the friend who brought you into this meeting. So thank you all so much again for coming today. And Selamat Hari Raya for our Malay friends. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of the evening. Thank you. Thank you, Winnie.